In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your project thumbnail on Behance, a crucial step if you want your work to stand out and grab the attention it deserves. Let's dive right into the process. Start by heading over to Behance. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials so you can access your projects with ease. Once you're on the Behance homepage, direct your attention to your profile section. You'll likely see an icon or avatar that represents your account. Go ahead and click this to access your personal profile space where all your projects are housed. Now, as you find yourself on your profile page, you'll notice thumbnails for all the projects you've meticulously crafted. These thumbnails are not only a visual representation of your work, but are also the first impression visitors get. To update a thumbnail, you need to hover over the project in question. As you do this, an option to edit the project should appear, probably as a small button or icon. Click on this and you'll be taken to the project editor. Next, you need to locate the settings for your project. Usually this can be found somewhere at the top or in the toolbar of your project editor. Clicking on settings will open up various options related to your project, but what we're interested in is the cover image. So keep your eyes peeled for an option labeled as something like Edit Cover Image. This is where you'll make the change. Give it a click and let's proceed to the next step. Upon clicking Edit Cover Image, you'll see a new option for adding or replacing the current image. Typically, there should be a plus icon or a similar visual cue that indicates you can add a new file. Click on this plus icon and a dialog box will pop up, prompting you to select a new image file from your device. Remember, when choosing your new thumbnail, opt for a high-quality image that accurately represents your project and will catch the viewer's eye. Once you've selected and uploaded your image, it's time to ensure it fits perfectly as your project's thumbnail. This is where the crop tool comes into play. Adjust the image using this tool so that all key elements are visible and aesthetically pleasing within the thumbnail frame. Once you're satisfied with the cropping, go ahead and confirm your choice. Finally, with your new thumbnail in place, the last step is to update the project to save changes. You'll typically see an option like Update Project. Click this and your new thumbnail will be live, ready to attract and engage viewers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your Behance project thumbnail, giving your creative work the best chance to shine. Keep practicing and experiment with different images to find what best showcases your projects.